Ladies and gentlemen, we have come together here this evening in honor of our esteemed guests, the chairman and the members of the 16th Finance Commission, who have a wide knowledge and experiences in various spheres of developmental activities. Well, we have many expectations from them. We have only one thing to offer to them in return, and that is just a fresh air. Mizoram being a tiny state with a population less than that of the total number of vehicles in New Delhi, must be quite manageable. And I do hope from the bottom of my heart that this visit will be a harbinger for many more blessings for us, and that the discussions, the proposals, and the problems will be taken care of in the mighty hands of the Commission. I wish them a comfortable stay and a safe return journey with a cherishable memory. As we have gone through such long, hectic schedule, I'm sure we all need a moment of relaxation now. So let's enjoy an evening with music, dances, and songs. Thank you.
Dr. Arvind Panagadia, sir, please. And I think Madam Srimati Amita Panagre also may join us here, ma'am. That would be more apt, I think. I think yes.
This is for Madam.
Next may be called esteemed member of the Commission, Shri Ajay Narayan Jha.
Thank you, sir. Very beautiful. This is a picture of
bamboo dance.
Bamboo dance.
Yes, I know, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you very much. It's really outstanding.
Thank you, sir. Next, may I invite on stage the Honorable Speaker of the Mizoram Legislative Assembly, Pulal Biagzama, to give the token of appreciation to our guests, to our other guests this evening. May we request Srimati Annie George Matthew to kindly come and receive the token, our token of appreciation.
Please have a nice look first.
Very strangely, I have two daughters. Oh, so this painting is very apt. Thank you.
Next, we'd like to invite Dr. Manoj Panda, esteemed member of the Commission.
So you're greeted by the beautiful dance. Oh, lovely. That's really good. And it's a dancing pose.
Next, we'd like to invite the other member of the delegation, Shri Ritvik Pandeji, Secretary.
So this is the traditional Mizoram.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
So,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118
Thank you, sir. Next, may I invite the Honorable Home Minister, Puke Sabdanga, to kindly give away the mementos and gifts to our guests. May I request Shri Rahul Jain, Joint Secretary, to kindly come up on the stage. Shri K. Balaji, Director. Shri Vivek Kumar, Joint Director and PS to Chairman. May I now request respected Chief Secretary Sir to kindly come up on stage and give away the mementos to our other three guests. Shri Manas Bajpayee, Deputy Director. Srimati Meena Mahendru, PPS to JS. And to close the gift session, Shri hliahkhuhna Guite, Deputy Director. Thank you everyone for doing the honors. And as I said, we'll just begin the evening. Sit back, relax and enjoy. As CM Sir said, we have the air to offer, one of the best in the country. I think it's even better than Meghalaya. Because in one of the programs, Meghalaya CM said, we have the best AQI in the country. I doubt that. We have better than Shillong. Today we have with us a famous child artist and a child prodigy, Esther Nam, who's brought accolades to not just the state, but the country. And her music has united India. Her rendition of Jana Gana Mana has garnered more than 47 million views on YouTube, which is, I think, one of the largest ever for a child artist. And in December 2024, as a part of the Ashtalakshmi Mahotsav, she even performed live before our beloved Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And the Prime Minister had just 2 words to say, amusing and I forgot now. He used 2 very beautiful words to describe her. So ladies and gentlemen, presenting the musical child prodigy Esther Nam. And she even has a documentary made in her name called A Star is Born, which was showcased in a film festival last year. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting Esther Nam.
वंदे मातरम। जहाँ वहाँ सारा जहाँ देख लिया है, कहीं भी तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं है। अस्सी नहीं 100 दिन दुनिया घुमा है, नहीं कहे तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं। मैं गया जहाँ भी बस तेरी याद थी, जो मेरे साथ थी मुझको तड़पाती रुलाती। सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत, प्यार है बस तेरा प्यार ही। माँ तुझे सलाम, माँ तुझे सलाम, मम्मा तुझे सलाम। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। तेरे पास ही मैं आ रहा हूँ, अपनी बाहें खोल दे। जोर से मुझको गले लगा ले, मुझको फिर वो प्यार दे। तू ही जिंदगी है, तू ही मेरी मोहब्बत है। तेरी है बारों में जानता है, तू ही दिल तू जान अम्मा। माँ तुझे सलाम, माँ तुझे सलाम, माँ तुझे सलाम। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। Thank you.
Dance and cultural troupe will now be performing Charro for us. Charro is one of the most famous traditional dance of our state. Charro has been mistakenly called as bamboo dance, which it is not, since it is performed using sound dimension in the Guinness Book of Records. So ladies and gentlemen, presenting Charro by the Lilleweng Cultural and Drama Club. That was indeed a very enthralling performance. Thank you very much. Next, we have one of the most versatile singers among the Mizos in contemporary times today, theih Khuptong, who will be performing a number for us. And I think the song speaks about the beauty of Mizoram.
It's a pleasure here to sing for you. And this song that I'm going to sing represents my state, Mizoram, very well, in a very poetic way. So I hope you enjoy the melody and the tune and unwind tonight. Kanuam ve'e tila ransange. And the way this song speaks about my home, I am very honored to sing this song tonight in front of you all, and I hope you see the beauty in it as well. There is no place like home. Thank you so much.
What a beautiful song indeed. There is no place like home. Thank you for the soulful rendition, theih. Let us now invite the Honorable Chairman of the 16th Finance Commission, Dr. Aravind Panagaria ji, to share his thoughts, if I may take the liberty, his lighter thoughts. Sir is one of the most finest economists that India has ever produced, whose footprints in academia, policy making and scholarship spans renowned universities, international institutes and bodies across the world. His book, Why Growth Matters, co-authored with the renowned economist Jagdish Bhagwati, won the coveted Excellence Prize for Excellence in Economic Writing and was listed as the best book of the year by the Financial Times. Ladies and gentlemen, may we invite once again the Chairman of the 16th Finance Commission, Dr. Aravind Panagaria, to share his thoughts.
Honorable Chief Minister, members of the Cabinet, members of the Finance Commission, all the dignitaries present. Well, first of all, thank you very much. This has been an incredible experience visiting Mizoram for me and for our entire team. We have had fantastic meetings. long day, but beautiful ending, as it were, to that day. I must say that, we had about a 3-hour-long meeting with the Chief Minister and all his senior colleagues. But in the end, it is little young Esther who has made the best case for a Finance Commission grant. So beautiful, so beautifully sung, Esther, and wonderful dance performance, and then we had a fantastic song as the cherry on the cake. Well, let me also thank actually our master of ceremony. My last name is a little complicated, but rather rarely he got it exactly right, how it should be said. So it was good to hear it, the name said exactly correctly. I don't know how he found out that the RIA sound is actually a RA sound, not not a RA sound. So thank you. I'm just an economist, so outside of that, I'm not sure what I can tell you. But I just feel very overwhelmed by all the hospitality, all the warmth that we have received here in Mizoram, and Chief Minister has really devoted his entire day. In some ways, actually, I've read some things about his own life, and his life has been clearly far more exciting than that of an economist. Those of you who know would know what I mean by that. And Mizoram is really lucky to have him leading the state. We really look forward to many more years of his leadership here in Mizoram, and along with it, increased prosperity as the future unfolds. So thank you once again. It has been a great pleasure.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your kind words and for appreciating that I got your last name right, sir. Next, we'll have another performance by Esther Nam. And yes, that reminds me 2 words the Prime Minister used to describe her: adorable and admirable.
I love you, Lord, for your mercy never fails me. Oh, my days I've been held in your hands. From the moment that I wake up until I lay my hands, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. 'Cause all my life you have been faithful. Oh, and all my life you have been so good. With every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. I love your voice. You have led me through the fire in darkest nights. You were close like no other. I've known you as a father. I've known you as a friend, and I have is running after, is running after me. Your goodness is running after, is running after me. With my life laid down, I'm surrendered now. I give you everything. Your goodness is running after, it's running after me. Your goodness is running after, it's running after me. Your goodness is running after, it's running after me. With my life laid down, I'm surrendered now. I give you everything. Your goodness is running after, it's running after me. 'Cause all my life you have been faithful. Oh, and all my life you have been so, so good. With every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. Oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. Oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. Thank you.
For the wonderful rendition. We do hope that you have a wonderful musical journey and a career ahead of you. Next up, we again have Theih, who will be presenting another number.
Okay. This next song, I don't think you can just sit and listen to me sing because I want you to have fun. So can I make a humble request? If you could join me in like standing throughout the song. Is that... Yes? Yes, thank you so much. Stumbling in Dilagaran Sadona. If anyone can join me in dancing here, you're more than welcome. I want you to feel free, unwind. I know that there's a very young crowd, officials there as well. If you want to come dance, tonight is all about you all. Stumbling in. All right, let's clap your hands. Our love is alive, so it began. Foolishly laid our hearts on the table, stumbled in. Our love is a flame, burning within. Now and then, firelight will catch us, stumble in. Wherever you go, whatever you do, you know this reckless heart of mine, I'm following you, I'm falling for you. Whatever you do, 'cause baby, it's shown me so many things that I never knew. Whatever you take, baby, you got it for me. Our love is alive, so it began. Foolishly laid our hearts on a table, stumbled it in. Our love is a flame, burning within. Now and then, firelight will catch us, stumble it in. Thank you all so much. I see a gorgeous, beautiful lady here. Would you mind joining Our love is alive, so it began. Foolishly laying our hearts on the table, stumbled it in. Our love is a flame, burning within. Now and then, firelight will catch us, stumble it in. Stumble it in. Oh, stumble it in. Now and then, firelight will catch us, stumble it in. Oh, stumble it in. Oh, stumble it in. Now and then, firelight will catch us, stumble it in. Thank you all so much for taking the time to stand with me and dance with me. Thank you so much.
While a pair of dancers stand in the middle, recite the song and dance along with the music.
Payan phun bung bui a chua mang hian oi a tang liai tulung ngelen so ki shildu nam oi yalung le kham kham po lang yanin se ale ning le de oi ya dem de
Thank you, the Lili Veng Cultural and Drama Club. That indeed was a very rocking performance, as some would say. And with that, we have come to the close of the cultural program and dinner. But while our guests and other invitees are out to have their dinner, we'll request the last number from theih, who will present a Hindi song. May we have theih on stage to present a Hindi number? languages. And now we'll hear her in Hindi.
Now that's a challenge. Okay, I'm gonna do this. I think most Mizo, we know this song. I don't know about the non-Mizo, so we're gonna find out. It's a very famous song in Mizoram back in the days. It goes like, can you get it? Can we do the song? Are we cool to do this? Okay, let's do it then. All right, I want you to clap your hands with me. नहीं 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 ये बातें है पुरानी कैसे पहले जिंदगानी थाम हरो गई इसको किसने ये तो बेद पानी कैसे पहली जिंदगानी ला 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 zu 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 पीले से इसमें नशा जिसने पिया वो गम में भी हंसा पल में रुलाए है पल में रुलाए कहानी कैसे पहली जिंदगानी थाम हरो गई इसको किसने ये तो बेद पानी कैसे पहली जिंदगानी Sing with me now La 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 Zu 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 आँखों में घर सपना नशा आंसू तेरा एक मोती है बना रा 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 दा 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 कैसे पहली जिंदगानी कैसे पहली जिंदगानी Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sangte. And just 2 words, wah kya baat hai. And with that, we come to the end of the short cultural program and dinner. Thank you, everyone. Please enjoy your dinner.